So quite often in my lessons, I like to pick people randomly to answer questions. And so I can do that using a calculator, because if I give everyone a number from 1 to 30, then I can use my calculator to pick a random number. And I'll show you how you can do that. And there's two functions on your calculator that give you random numbers, and I'm going to show you how to do both of them. So what you can do, if you've got this calculator or one that looks similar, you can turn it on. And if I want to get ran hashtag, then I'm going to press shift and then I'm going to press this button down here. Okay, so shift and then this button down here, that gives me ran. And this is giving me a random number between 0 and 1 to 3 decimal places. Okay, so it's like going up in thousandths. Okay, so if I press shift and then ran, it's giving me a random number, and I can press equals and it will give me a different random number. Every single time I press equals, it'll give me loads. So let me write down a few that I'm getting here. So so this one here I've just got is 0.793. Another one here is 0.628. Another one 0.923. I could go on forever. These are just random numbers. Another function then that we've got is ran int, and so this stands for integer. So if I want integer numbers, then I can use this one. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to press alpha this time. So alpha, and then this button down here, and it gives you ran int hashtag. So if I type this in the calculator here, so this is what it gives you: ran int hashtag and then brackets. And we need to add some things in here. We need to give the lower bound and the upper bound. And this can be any integer, including negative numbers. So I could write something like -5, 5. Now to get the comma on your calculator, you can see it's here. You're going to have to press shift and then this button here. Okay, so from the start then, to get my ran int, I'm going to press alpha to get ran int. Okay, then I get this bit here. Then I need to, if I'm typing in this, say, I'd type in -5. Then I would type, I need to get the comma now, so now I need to do shift, comma, and then I can type in the next number, 5, say, and then I can close the brackets, and then I can press equals. And every time I press equals, it will give me a random number between -5 and 5 inclusive. Okay, so in my classroom, what I'll do is I'll, if I want to pick someone random, okay, I'll press alpha, random integer. I'll type in, I'll put 1 in. Then I'll press shift, and then this bracket here to get the comma, and say I've got 32 maximum in the class. I'll type in 32, and then I will do my closing brackets, press equals, and as long as everyone's got a number, I can press equals as many times as I like, and it'll give me a random number. So for example, I've got 8, 31, 20, 16. Okay, I could keep going with more random numbers, but that's how you do it.